So you're gonna stick the line through the eyelet of the frog, throw the frog down, and from here you're gonna take just a good amount of line, maybe 4 to 6 inches of line from the tail to the frog. You're gonna cross them over your 2 fingers. So you should have it across like that with the tail and then the main line. And then you're gonna wrap the tail around in through, making a loop of the main line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna slowly pull. That's exactly how that should be. And then you will just snip